Hello students, today we will mark the important meanings and do exercise 1. Choose the correct answer. First, mark the meanings. Vine, creeper. Creeper means any plant that grows among the ground. Breaches, cracks, any cracks. Next, exacting, tough. Deserted, abandoned, which means disused. Attorney, lawyer, stagnant, unpleasant, agitated, disturbed and restless. Singular, united one into one. Next, choose the correct answer. The story took place in the 18th century in the United States. Where is the answer? Here. About 3 miles from the little town of Norton in Missouri. Norton in Missouri, it is in United States. The place is in United States. And since 1886, no one has lived in it. 1886, it is called. It is in 18th century. So, the answer is the 18th century in the United States. Next answer. Which of the following is not true? The Harding family had 5 members. It is a true statement. Why? Because Robert Harding, his wife Matilda, Miss Julia Wayne, Matilda's sisters, and 2 young children. There are 5 members in Harding family, in the Harding family. So, this statement is correct. Next, Mr. Hyatt was a distant relative of Matilda Harding. No. This statement is not true because Rev. G. Grover and Mr. Hyatt, an attorney. Who is Mr. Hyatt? Mr. Hyatt is an attorney. So, this statement is not true and this is the correct answer. The people of the country were conservative. We all know that this is a true statement because he and his sister-in-law were boycotted by their neighbors. For these two were seen too frequently together and the moral of the rural Missouri is stern and exacting. So, the answer is B. Next, in what way was the vine strange? Answer is it shook violently at certain times of the day. They related their strange experience to several friends the next evening. At about the same hour, accompanied by 2 other friends, they rode again and where a strange and mysterious phenomena occurred again. The mysterious phenomena occurred again, exactly as it had the previous day. It said its leave when approached by people. No. False statement. And it would strangle the people who went near it is also false. It shook violently at certain times of the day. The roots of the vine resemble the figure of Matilda Harding. Here is the answer. Where carefully freed from soil, they sowed singular formation resembling a human figure. Head, trunk and limbs were there. Even the fingers and toes were distinctly defined. Everyone could the gathering was shocked when they discovered that the figure's left foot was missing. Everyone could easily figure out who it was. And the last question is, what is the logical explanation of the mystery of the Harding family? The answer is Mrs. Harding was murdered and the rest of the family moved to an unknown place. B and C false statement. Why? Because first, Mrs. Harding went to Iowa and the rest of the family followed her sometime later. False. Because here is the answer. Inquiry revealed that Mrs. Harding had never visited her relatives in Iowa, nor was she expected by them. And of Robert Harding and the rest of his family, nothing is known. And this is also wrong statement because Mrs. Harding kept living in the house and was buried under the vine when she died of old age. In this story, There is no information about this statement. So the answer is 5.